Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Hump's world. And today we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. Now I know I've been doing a lot of analog watch faces and the analogs have been very popular, but today we got a digital watch face for you that's worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. And on top of that, people, the watch face is free. All right, so remember that free can become paid very quickly, so make sure you download right after the video, share the wealth. And with that being said, let's check out this watch face. Now, the name of it is called Iris 11. This is not a bad looking digital watch face. Now, it's digital with an analog theme to it, which I thought was really nice. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same design, the same look, and you're not going to get these two lines right here, which isn't taken away from the beauty of this digital watch face at all. But when it's on, you get all the important information that you would need or seek out of a watch face. Now, right here, that's going to be your seconds. I like that red look. And it's going to be a energy saving watch face to a degree. The background is nice and black. And you are going to get your date and your month at the top, your date as well. In the middle, you get a very legible digital time, animated seconds. Get your nice PM stamp, which I love, right there. Down at the bottom, you will get your battery percentage, heart rate information, and your steps, people. I thought this was a good look for a digital free watch face. But the question at the end of the day, what do you think? I thought it was nice. I thought it was worth the download, and I think you should go ahead and put it in your lineup. All right, you all, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.